First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer PDF from PC to iPhone, run the software on your PC. Connect your iPhone to your PC via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. To transfer PDF files from your PC to your iPhone, click Books. Click the Import option. Choose the PDF files you want to transfer to your iPhone. Then click Open. The chosen PDF files will be transferred to your iPhone.